Hello, today we will guide you through how to disable Zoom Mirror Video. If your camera preview in Zoom looks flipped, don't worry. This is usually caused by the mirror video setting, which makes your image appear the way you might see yourself in a mirror. In many cases, it only affects your own preview, but if you want your video to display in a more natural orientation on your screen, you can turn that setting off in just a few moments. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access the meeting controls and settings without interruption. If Zoom is already open, you can simply bring it to the front and continue from there. Next, open a sample Zoom meeting. This can be a test meeting or any meeting where you're able to view your camera feed. The reason for doing this is that some video options are easier to access while you're inside a meeting, especially if you want to immediately confirm how the setting changes your appearance on screen. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the bottom area of the Zoom window for the meeting toolbar. Find the three-dot menu, which is often used to show additional options that aren't visible in the main control bar. Click on those three dots to open the menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open Zoom's Settings panel, where you can adjust different parts of your meeting experience, including audio, video, and visual preferences. Taking a moment to explore this area can also be helpful later if you ever want to update your camera or microphone settings. Inside Settings, click on Video and Effects. This section contains the controls related to how your camera appears in Zoom, along with the visual enhancements and display preferences. You should now see the option related to mirroring your video. Find the mirror option and uncheck it. As soon as you do this, your video preview should update to show the non-mirrored version. This means text, gestures, or positioning in your preview will appear more naturally according to the camera's actual view. After making the change, you can close the settings window and continue with your meeting. If needed, take a quick look at your preview to make sure it now appears the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully disabled mirror video in Zoom.